So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NHL Hart Memorial Trophy Winner futures bet or an NHL MVP futures bet here on the Bet365 application. So once you have Bet365 opened up on your device, I want you to go to the home tab, go to the top left part of your screen, and where it says NFL, NBA, and NHL, press on where it says NHL. And to place a futures bet on this top bar right here, so as you can tell, the lines tab is currently highlighted. If you wanted to change that to the futures tab, just slide this all the way to the right and press on futures. Now, to select a future for the MVP or the Hart Memorial Trophy, simply just press on where it says to win outright in green text right here to get this drop down menu. Then scroll up to where it says regular season awards and press on that. Now, as you can tell, the Calder's right here, so if you keep scrolling down, it'll actually show you guys the Calder, and then this next option right here is the NHL MVP or the Hart Memorial Trophy. So if you wanted to go ahead and place a bet, let's just say for demonstration purposes, on Connor McDavid, you can go ahead and press on Connor McDavid. Go to the bottom left, press on set wager, and then place your amount there, and then press on place bet once that is completed. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can place an NHL Hart Memorial Trophy winners future or an NHL MVP trophy futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.